We are in the town of Helen, Georgia. This is a Bavarian village. We just found parking and we're just gonna go check it out. It looked really festive and really fun. I bet at night it'd be great with the, I see they're getting the Christmas lights up.
Yeah, it's getting busy in town. I can't even fathom what it was like here in October.
Oh yeah, they have massive Oktoberfest.
We have this thing with crowds. Like we pull into town and you start seeing all the tourists walking. And we both have this instinct to go, let's just keep going.
Keep driving.
Like, let's stop, park, and enjoy it, and not worry about it.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing.
All right. We gotta do that. Choo choo!
What the heck, huh, girl?
Pistol got to go. Pistol got to go on a train ride. Choo choo. My favorite part was the conductor guy. He's really getting into his job.
In it.
Yeah. So we dropped her back off at the camper and we are on the search for sausage.
So cheers.
For salad. We got some goulash, baby.
Like a good goulash, baby. Okay.
Looks good.
So my grandparents immigrated, their families immigrated from Germany. So they're both from Germany. My grandma used to make a very unique, different cucumber salad. So I gotta see if this is...
pretty mayonnaise-y looking.
It's a dill salad dressing. It's close.
Yeah.
Grandma's is better. I like it though. It's cucumbers and tomatoes and this, I've never had goulash.
We got the goulash.
Got the goulash, baby. I don't know what a goulash is.
Veggies and beef and pork.
It's like meat and potatoes, I guess.
Yeah. How could you go wrong with that?
It's like amazing stew.
Stew.
Oh, God.
And I got 2 sausages with sauerkraut, potatoes, mustard.
And we're sharing.
We're sharing. Cheers, baby.
Cheers.
Okay, lunch was delicious. Those brats that I had, so good. And we shared your goulash and your cucumber salad. Cucumber salad wasn't my favorite, but that goulash was good.
My grandma, I mean, she made German food.
Authentic.
And her potato salad was unlike anything I'd ever had before. And what I had on that plate today was as close as ever.
You mean the cucumber salad?
No.
Oh, the potato salad that was online. That was really good.
It's vinegary potato salad. It's different.
Nothing creamy. It was just vinegar and a little seasoning. That was delicious.
Yeah, that's what my grandma used to make all the time. And I've never had anything close to it since.
And it was warm. I like that.
Warm
potato salad.
Vinegary potato salad.
Yeah.
We got to figure that one out.
Yes. That's
so.
But you know what? I did get something to go because, I mean, when in Rome. I got a slice of German chocolate cake. So I'm going to dive in and see what that's about.
I'll dive in this right here.
You would. Is it edible?
That's rich.
Is it?
Mm.
Let's see. I gotta get some of the frosting. I figured this had to be good, right? Mm-hmm. I wasn't wrong.
Sugar-free?
Oh, definitely sugar-free. I'm gonna be occupied for the next few minutes here.
All right.
Okay, I'm in a proper sugar coma right now. We don't know where we're spending the night tonight. No, we're headed, well, I don't even really know. We're just gonna kind of nap and see what's up ahead, and yeah, I don't know. We'll just see when we get there.
Someone's love.
We had a fun day in Helen, Georgia. I recommend it. I wouldn't want to be here over Oktoberfest. Way too packed.
Very similar to Leavenworth, Washington.
Yeah, except we don't have the big mountains like we do
as
there.
far as the town, the whole town's all in on the Bavarian German theme, but
yeah,
Leavenworth has more of the Swiss Alps look to it. But it was fun.
Yeah, the train ride, very cheesy, but fun. So I'm glad we did that. It was about 15 minutes long. They just drove you through town. Didn't talk about anything. You just really drove through town like you were in a parade.
All right, let's
Okay.
go roam south, kind of south.
South. We're headed back to Florida eventually. So, but we'll see you down the road. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.